Alright, in this video we're going to talk about dividing complex fractions. So when you divide complex fractions, you actually really aren't going to divide, you're going to multiply. And we have a cool little thing that we talk about, we call it LMR, L-M-R. And when you do that, you take your first fraction, 5/8, and you leave it. The leave part in LMR. Then, instead of dividing, we multiply. So that's the M, multiply. And then we take 3/4 and we reciprocate it. We find the reciprocal of 3/4, which is 4/3. So now we've left, leave, multiply, reciprocate. Then we do it just like multiplying fractions. We have 20, and then we have 8 times 3, which is 24. Both of them are divisible by 4. So when we divide them both by 4, we get an answer of 5/6. So that's one example of dividing complex fractions. Another example of dividing complex fractions is 3 1/2 divided by 2 1/3. We take the first term and, well, first we're going to make them improper fractions. So we take 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 1, which is 7/2. And that'll be divided by 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 1, 7/3. Again, we do LMR. So we do L, which is leave. Change the division to multiply. And then we reciprocate 3/7. And as we learned before in multiplying fractions, you can, since you can look at the cross products, and 7 divided by 7 is 1. So you can make those 1s. And that leaves us 1 times 3, which is 3. 2 times 1, which is 2. So the answer is 3/2, or 1 1/2. And again, that's dividing complex fractions using LMR.